Mm. Mm. Yeah, right. Hello. Hello, I think it's me. What is just gone? Bring so many things up. I'm like, oh my god, I got to tell him. I'll tell him when I see him. I'll tell him when I see him. Got this list here now. I got a list of shit to talk about that I want to speak about. I want to learn from you. I want to ask you things. Do you know that? Do you know that some of your snaps, some things that you said, some things you do, I guess I should get used to it. No one's been more in tune with me. No one's known as much about me. I mean, the core me, than you do. Nobody. I shared some of that with you. Some of it you seem to pick up on. Some of it I don't think you have any clue that you do. Your higher self must, because you say some things, just random shit that I pick up on. And I just wanted to tell you about that. Don't share that with you. Because it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's some of the most gorgeous snaps that you've ever done. I mean, I'm sure you've done lots of them that I haven't even seen, that I don't even know about. But the ones that I do know about, the ones that I've witnessed, beyond belief. And then to know what connection I have to those beautiful things that you do, that I have a very real connection. Very, very real connection to that is to appear. Whether it's true or not. That's why I wanted to ask you. I'm like, hold on, wait. What was going on this day at this time when you made that snap? Why did you do that? And you're gonna say, well, I don't know. As long as you take it. Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense. It's just coincidence. It's all coincidence. Coincidence. Coincidence theory. That's it. And leaving Kansas. Goodbye, Kansas. So I'm gonna write you into the story. You know, I've been writing the music. Did I tell you that? No, I didn't tell you that. I've been writing the musical. Guess who's been writing the musical for a while? I've been writing musicals since for a couple of months. Yeah. I don't know if we wrote that Grammy today, or I don't know when it was. I think actually I wrote that Grammy last year, but just because that's my best one. What did I send you? Did I send you the... And then I wanted to ask you if you got something that I sent you, or if you didn't, you know? Did you not get that? You didn't get that, did you? Oh, I'm embarrassing. That's not what I meant to send you. I meant to send you something else. That's what I said. Yeah, that was the wrong one. Or was it? You have to show reason, son. Everything happens first. Did you see? I think I had a mild snap attack. No, okay, it was a major snap attack. I had a major snap attack today. I lost my friend to... I don't know where I lost him to. But I felt a definite sense of loss. Felt a definite sense of missed opportunity. Trust. I'm prepared for all that. Oh my god, yeah. I like to share people. I'm greedy at it. Yeah. so impatient. That's why I hated myself. Also, I hate other people too. No, not really. Sometimes I just hate other people because they're stupid morons. They're stupid, moronic creepers, barbarians. Should have been aborted long before now. Well, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. You don't ever know, really. You don't ever know. Why don't we pause this? Can we pause this, please? Are we still recording? We are. Oh, wow. So I've been writing all day. I want to get back with you, but today I knew it was day of production. It was a production day.